ये हार्ट एंड सोल के बीच में विच इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ ह्यूमन बॉडी, हार्ट और द सोल?
So, to answer Ashwini Mishra in the context of spirituality and Hinduism, not Hindutva, the body withers and ultimately dies. The soul is unquenching and undying. So, the next time you say heart and soul, pick one organ. My advice to you would be pick the heart because the mind is absent, literally in Tagore terminology. But I want to answer Navika Kumar's question directly. There is no question that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, or to paraphrase Tehseen, Shrimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, should become the prime ministerial face. There's only one slight hitch, Navika. The people of India also need to play a role in terms of voting for her. So, if the people vote for her, if the Congress allows her, if the mother's love for a son dims in comparison to a mother's love for her daughter, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the ideal candidate for 4 reasons. Number one, she prefers Sujan Singh Park to the Autobahn. Number two, she has a greater persona in terms of outreach. Number three, she's a far better orator. And number four, she will never ever play with her dog when Ashwini Mishra is discussing matters of national importance. So these are the 4 attributes that I think Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will make a fine prime ministerial material for. Now the problem here is Tehseen Poonawalla, poor chap, first time he's caught between a rock and a hard place. Nation or family? By asking that question, you've made him divide his family loyalties. Ashwini Mishra can't say no, Priyanka ko mat lao. Tomorrow, if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra becomes prime ministerial material, he'll be like Sanjay Jha in suspended animation. I'm just saying. So you are also caught. We are the only people who can actually give you an honest answer.
Congress party,
बॉस जो भी आए,
democracy.
हमारा पैंट तो वैसे ही बचने वाला है.
In Congress party, there is a democracy. Prime Minister is chosen by the party, and that was the reason Manmohan Singh was chosen the Prime Minister, sir.
डिबेट करते हो, मेरे को सुन लो क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारी धज्जियां उड़ाऊंगा. जो मुद्दे आपने उठाए बहुत बढ़िया उठाए. AQI, ये वो. तो संसद में क्यों नहीं आप लोग उठाते? संसद में सिर्फ कागज फाड़ते हो. संसद में भी उठाओ.
BMW की सैर
सच ए वेनरेबल पॉलिटिशियन.
टाइम अलॉटेड था पोल्यूशन के लिए. संसद में टाइम अलॉटेड था. संसद में टाइम अलॉटेड था पोल्यूशन डिस्कशन के लिए. पोल्यूशन डिस्कशन के लिए टाइम अलॉटेड था संसद में. हमारे
लेकिन
आते हैं.
लेकिन आपको राम जी के नाम से इतनी तकलीफ हो गई कि आपने पोल्यूशन की चिंता करनी छोड़ दी क्योंकि राम के खिलाफ बोलना था. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम अश्विनी. बट प्रदीप भंडारी
एयर प्यूरिफायर लगवाए हुए मैंने अपने ऑफिस में.
तुम्हारी तो
सबने लगाया हुआ है.
हम तो यहाँ जला मर रहे हैं. यहाँ एयर प्यूरिफायर की आमदनी नहीं है हमारे पास लगाने की. आप जैसे
Suhail, now come on, Suhail, 5 kilos of rations coming to your house very, very soon. Sir, if you don't have money for a air purifier. But Pradeep Bhandari, my question to you is, Rahul Gandhi going abroad, Rahul Gandhi speaking against India, all of these don't make headlines anymore. It's a given. Okay, he will go, he will rant and he will come back and it is the same story. The issue is that his own alliance partners have seen through this complaint. When John Britta says we thought he would be in the parliament to be the leader of opposition and lead the opposition and its charge against the ruling party. But Rahul Gandhi decided that BMWs were more interesting than the Indian democracy and Indian parliament. I want to ask you, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra being held back, Rahul Gandhi continuing, is it gender inequality? Is it, forget being a prime minister, people have to elect you, but to be fielded as the prime ministerial face is the first step that a party can take. Why has the Congress not taken such a step and stuck on to Rahul Gandhi after 95 defeats?
Well, Navika ji, recall in history how in the time of Mughals, there used to be family fight between Aurangzeb and his heir. There used to be family fight between Akbar and his heir. This is exactly what is happening in the Gandhi Vadra family between Priyanka camp and Rahul camp. Allow me to quote a certain statement, and this is not my statement. संसद चल रही है और नेता विरोधी दल विदेश यात्रा कर रहे हैं. देश की राजनीति को लेकर राहुल गांधी कितना गंभीर है, ये किसी से छुपा नहीं है. अरे राहुल गांधी, राजनीति तपस्या है, तपस्या. तपो, हॉलिडे मत करो. This is what IP Singh, the senior leader from Samajwadi Party, has said. This is not for the first time when people have spoken against Rahul Gandhi. But now in the India Alliance, you have members of the CPM speaking against Rahul and Priyanka both. So what is happening is a very unique situation which has not happened in the last 11 years, but was predicted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said that after the loss in Bihar, you will see them fighting against each other. Mamta, Akhilesh and all the members of the India Alliance are speaking against Rahul openly. Members inside the Congress are speaking against Rahul Gandhi openly, and Rahul's camp is speaking against Priyanka Vadra. This is a struggle inside the dynasty in the Parivar, and let me tell you, all of the individuals out here, including my very senior friend Sohail, is overestimating Priyanka Vadra, because recall when she was given the charge in Uttar Pradesh, 399 seats, the Congress party lost deposits in 387, and then the Rahul camp had to sideline Priyanka camp. We are very happy, Navika ji.
Well said, and you're absolutely right, Pradeep Bhandari, because the Prime Minister had predicted this. कि स्प्लिट होगा, परिवार में होगा, पार्टी में होगा. लेट्स लिसन इन टू व्हाट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेड आफ्टर द बिहार इलेक्शंस.
ये जो कांग्रेस के नामदार हैं, ये जिस रास्ते पर कांग्रेस को लेकर चल रहे हैं, इसके प्रति घोर निराशा, घोर नाराजगी अंदर ही अंदर पनप रही है. और मुझे तो आशंका है, हो सकता है कि आगे कांग्रेस का एक और बड़ा विभाजन हो.